My name is Wan Aisyah binti Wan Muhammad Zulhan. I'm from SK Sinsan Temerloh. Today, I'm excited to talk about AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, which is like having a very smart computer friend to help us learn. How does AI help us? 1. AI can teach us new things. If we don't understand something, AI can explain it again in a simple way, making it easier to learn. 2. AI help us practice, whether it's math, reading, or even drawing. AI gives us extra practice. It also gives us hints to do better next time. 3. AI makes learning fun. AI can create fun games and quizzes that make learning exciting. We get to play while we learn new things. Why is AI special? AI helps us learn in a smart and fun way. It helps teachers and students work together to make learning interesting and enjoyable. With AI, we can discover us learn new things every day. Let's use it to explore and have fun in our classroom. Thank you.